Hello, welcome to FountainFX. This is Tuesday the 26th of November 2013. We're looking at the pound against the US dollar and particularly about an opportunity to short this area here at around about the 162.20 mark. I've placed a trade here previously and it was triggered a few days ago and I went straight into profit, but now price has literally turned and pulled all the way back up. So the question is, do I stay with this trade in the prediction that it will turn and it will fall all the way back down to this area of support, or do I close the trade now, or can I just rely on the trade that I've placed and allow for my stop to take out some of my profit? So that's really the questions. What do I do here? Is there a break? What's going to happen? So you've got various different opportunities here. It may be a case of the market's going to prove that it's not been the greatest of trades, not because I didn't have the right reasons to trade it, but because the market's just done something different to what I predicted. If we look to the left, we can see that when price got up here last time, there was a certain amount of order flow, as in buying and selling, before the sellers overtook the buyers and price fell. Whereas previously it literally touched and fell quite quickly. But if we look here, the trend of the market is up, and that trend has not changed despite all of this sideways movement that's been happening for the last couple of months. So it's still saying the trend is up with the moving averages and the way in which they're moving. So we're actually going against the trend in this trade. So the better trade would have been to have bought down here, and the purchase down here showed that there was actually a divergence. The moving averages on the MACD were pushing up, the MACD histogram was pushing up, showing that the momentum down was starting to decline, and it turned at this point. Now that's obviously, with hindsight we can see that, but it shows you that actually price is pushing against the dollar. The pound is gaining strength again and the dollar is weakening. So we need to check that against fundamentals. Typically out there everyone's saying the dollar's showing weakness. Last week there was weakness in the dollar again. So it's about stick with this, put in a stop just above the area for in case it doesn't hold and it does pull back, it goes straight through. If it does push straight through this level, then it would be a case of wait for a pullback into this area of resistance to then enter a long position and take it as the market continues up. And that's really about how to plan and how to consider what can happen in the marketplace if price is not necessarily doing what you expect it to do. You need to always have an alternative plan, and that's how you maintain your capital in your trading account. Thank you very much from FountainFX.